Did you know that certain electromagnetic waves can make you hear sounds without any external noise? This phenomenon is known as the microwave auditory effect, where pulsed microwaves create auditory sensations directly inside your head. First reported during World War II by personnel working near radar transponders, they experienced unexplained clicking sounds. When pulsed microwaves are absorbed by the head, they induce thermoelastic expansion, leading to pressure waves that are perceived as sound. Could this effect be harnessed to influence our thoughts or behaviors without our knowledge? Some theories suggest that satellites could use specific frequencies to subtly affect human consciousness. While it sounds like science fiction, the microwave auditory effect is a real scientific phenomenon. Stay curious and question everything. Who knows what other hidden effects are out there?